All right, quick question for you. Have you ever looked at your product photos and thought, yeah, this is not selling anything? Because trust me, I've been there. And today, I'm reviewing something that honestly surprised me. It's called Creativio AI 2.0. And if you sell products online, run ads, manage social media, or even create content for clients, this might be one of the most useful AI tools I've tested this year. So let's break it down. No hype, no fluff, just what it does, who it's for, and whether it's actually worth your time. Creativio AI 2.0 is an AI-powered product image generator and editor, but not in the basic photo editor way. This thing is built specifically to turn boring, plain product photos into studio-quality, lifestyle, ad-ready images in literally minutes. No photographers, no studios, no designers, and, this part matters, no monthly fees. Yeah, one-time payment. Here's how it works, and this is honestly the best part. It's a three-step process. Step 1. You snap a photo of your product. Phone camera is totally fine. Step 2. Upload it to Creativio AI, choose a style, background, or scene, and Step 3. Boom! Your image is ready to download in minutes. No learning curve, no complicated tools. You click, the AI does the heavy lifting. Now let's talk about what it can actually create. Creativio AI can generate clean pack shots, premium lifestyle scenes, ad-ready product images, virtual model shots, restaurant-style food photography, supplement and wellness lifestyle visuals. And here's the wild part. You can create unlimited variations from a single product photo. Same product, different angles, different scenes, different moods. That alone is huge for ads and e-commerce. So who is Creativio AI 2.0 really for? If you're an e-commerce seller, better images equal higher conversions, period. If you run a restaurant, your menu photos are basically your salesperson. If you're a social media agency or freelancer, you can create scroll-stopping visuals for clients without hiring designers. If you're an influencer or content creator, your visuals are your brand. And even photographers, this speeds up post-production like crazy. Basically, if visuals matter to your income, this tool fits. Let me rapid-fire some standout features. AI background removal, AI scene generation, AI lighting control, 4K image upscaling, text removal, smart cropping and color correction. Conversion-focused enhancements. This isn't just about looking good, it's about selling better. Now, here's something most reviews skip. Creativio AI 2.0 doesn't just give you the tool. It also comes with launch bonuses that show you how to make money with it, like a product image pack micro agency kit, client acquisition scripts, and a marketplace listing upgrade system for Amazon, Etsy, or Shopify. So you're not just creating images, you're learning how to sell them as a service. That's smart. And yes, there's a 14-day money-back guarantee. You can test it, create images, keep everything you make, and if it's not for you, refund. No stress. So, final thoughts. Creativio AI 2.0 is not another gimmicky AI app. It's a visual production engine built for speed, consistency, and conversions. If you're tired of paying photographers, or waiting on designers, or settling for images that don't sell, this is worth checking out. I've left the link below so you can see it for yourself. Thanks for watching. Hit like if this helped. Subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews. And I'll see you in the next one.